Hello everyone, I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the Battlegrounds mobile ping value comparison between the Realme X1 Max versus Oneplus Nord 2 device. And during this time of demonstration, I'm trying to use a Jio Sim card. So let's see which phone will be having what type of ping value when I'm trying to play. And one more quick note, it also depends upon the location and the type of SIM you are using at the time of your playing. So right now I'm trying to use only the Jio Sim card, and these are the results we'll be getting when you're trying to use a Jio Sim card. Let me try to show you the RX monitor application first. So just to show you, I'm trying to use the Jio SIM card and what bands they are trying to get. As you can see, both are connected to the same carrier aggregation, same band. As you can see, friends, exactly this both phones. So now let me try to open the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay in both phones. Let's see what will be the performance and what will be the ping value as well. Let me try to add the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay. Force closed. Did you see that? It happened just now. So the Oneplus Nord 2 is experiencing this kind of force closing of the applications. So some of the apps are getting closed. So before this video, I did a video on that particular topic on the Flipkart, where the Flipkart app got continuously crashed. And right now, when this Battlegrounds mobile is getting crashed. So I need to do the restart. So I'll try to do the restart, and I need to check that whether this problem will be solved or not. I'm going to do the restart and check. So I'm trying to do in front of the camera only, friends. Yes, the OnePlus Nord 2, I'm not sure why it's experiencing. Few of the users they did mention that try to clear the app cloning applications and then try to check, then it might work. But I'll try to do those things in the next video. Let me try to add this Battlegrounds mobile into the game space. Yes, right now the phone has been added into the game space successfully. So now let me try to show you exactly what kind of settings I'm trying to use during this process of demonstration. As you can see, friends, I'm trying to use with the smooth and 90 FPS I'm trying to use exactly. Otherwise, let's use the smooth and extremes just for the same, because both phones can only play smooth and extreme. I mean, the OnePlus Nord 2 can play smooth and extreme. So let's try to use all the same settings. That's also another thing. First, let me try to play in the normal team deathmatch. Let's see team deathmatch how much we can actually get it. The phone got started. Let me try to start quickly the OnePlus Nord 2. Let's see this time will it be able to open or not the game. That is what I'm going to check. And during this time, I did turn on the high performance mode. High performance mode is turned on in this phone, so no issues in that of high performance mode. Right now in the Realme X1 Max, the ping I'm getting about 44 milliseconds. Not bad. 44 is kind of good. So anything below 50 in my location, this is extreme indoor condition, friends, so you can definitely understand. So right now this is in my studio room condition only. Let me quickly start the game. So meanwhile the game will be open in the background. So if the game doesn't open, I cannot help at this moment, but I'll try to show you exactly the ping value. So right now I'm getting 52. This is playing the team that match, and the game is continuously crashing in this phone in the OnePlus Nord 2. So right now the OnePlus Nord 2 did open the game. There's actually a fix for that. I'll try to upload a video on that, how to fix this kind of app closing issue in the OnePlus Nord 2. So don't worry about that. So right now is the Realme X1 Max, as you can see, friends. Now let me try to start showing the gameplay. Let me try to exactly select the team that match in both phones. I'm trying to select. Let's see what will happen with this kind of ping value when you try to compare side by side. So right now the time is about, I think, 12 night. As you can see, just now I thought of making this kind of ping value comparison, and then I thought of sleeping, because a lot of users, they are actually having this kind of doubts in this both phones. That is the reason I thought of just clarifying this kind of doubts in the users, so you can actually decide which phone is the best. Let me try to select the same map if possible. Yes, this should be kind of okay. Same map I'm trying to select. Right now in the OnePlus Nord 2, we are seeing about the ping value of, I think, close to 48 milliseconds, and not bad. 42 and 52. Sorry, 52 milliseconds. We are seeing 48. Not bad. $60 milliseconds we are seeing at this moment. 60. 56, 84 sometimes, 68 milliseconds, not bad. 72. It did not go above 100. It did not go above 100. That's the one thing which I can definitely confirm. So it's right now 56. Let's check the Realme X1 Max. How much the Realme X1 Max has got. So Realme X and Max is not bad. Ping value, it's kind of same. So both phones are completely same in the connectivity, and sometimes even 40. I did say the lowest of 40. That's not bad at all. As you can see, friends, that's good. So both phones, as I said, the connectivity, I can definitely feel friends, the connectivity is really good. Right now I'm seeing 200 milliseconds sometimes, 200, 56. $139 milliseconds, 261 milliseconds I'm seeing right now. So 677 milliseconds I'm seeing right now. As you can see, 677 in the Realme X and Max using the Jio Sim card only. 677. 4G plus I'm trying to get. 677. Let's check what is happening in the Oneplus Nord 2. The Oneplus Nord 2, it's staying around, I think, this is a Oneplus Nord 2. Sorry friends, I need to show you the backside as well, because you'll be really confused which phone is what phone. So because both phones, they do have the same type of front camera, so that's kind of I thought of saying. But 48 milliseconds and 52 milliseconds, not bad in this phone. In the OnePlus Nord 2, I'm getting 52 milliseconds I'm getting at this moment. .48 milliseconds. The OnePlus Nord did not increase more than 100 or 200. It was staying exactly 52, not bad. But let's take a look at the Realme X and Max. What is happening on the Realme X and Max? 72 milliseconds in the Realme X and Max I'm getting, 72 and 52. So 48 milliseconds till now. .48 milliseconds I'm getting, not bad. So 644. Only at that point I did get the 600 milliseconds, but later I did not get that kind of milliseconds in my phone. So 52, now it was good. So let me try to continue with another map. Let's see. I just want to check with the multiple maps. Let's see the Wrangle map. So let's start with the classic match. Let's see what will happen with the classic match in both phones. I'm trying to show you exactly, friends, what will be the ping value in this device. So definitely I try to do the app closing issue, how to fix in the OnePlus Nord 2 very soon. So make sure to stay tuned in case if you plan to buy the OnePlus Nord 2, the video will be really helpful. So very soon I'll try to upload the video on that issue, how to fix the issue. Right now 52, this is a Realme X and Max, sorry, Realme X and Max. I need to show you the phone as well on the back side every time I record. Otherwise I'll try to show you this game space. So this is a Realme X and Max, no need to show the back side, that's kind of good. So now you'll be able to see the ping value 52 and two phones. Let me try to show two phones running at the same time. You can see the Realme X and Max and OnePlus Nord 2 also received around 229 milliseconds, not bad. OnePlus Nord 2 also, as you can see clearly, both phones at the same time I'm trying to play. 56 and 68. So both phones are having really good. I did not see like huge. So apart from one time I did see in the Realme X and Max a little bit 677 sometimes, but 157 milliseconds you can see at this moment I'm getting 677. Even in the OnePlus Nord 2 also I did see that kind of milliseconds, 677 milliseconds, as you can see, friends. So both phones are having kind of same kind of, I think, ping values. So there is nothing much increasing and decreasing. So both are kind of same, I would say, at this position. Let's see what will happen when we try to drop. So then we can actually see what is happening with the ping values. And once we drop, and then I'll try to end up this videos because I don't want to make a really very long and lengthy video. 52 in the Realme X and Max. Top is the Realme X and Max. This phone is a Realme X and Max. I'm trying to show you again and again. So because both phones punch holes are really confusing. But 52 and 60 milliseconds, as you can see, friends, exactly. Let me to drop and So when I'm trying to drop exactly, so 56 and 677 in the OnePlus Nord 2. As you can see in the bottom, OnePlus Nord 2, 677. So Realme was stable around 56 at this moment. So top phone is a Realme phone only. As you can see, top phone is a Realme phone and bottom is the OnePlus Nord 2. OnePlus Nord 2 getting 677 milliseconds for a long time, it's staying exactly. Let's check the signals are 4G plus in the OnePlus Nord 2. But still I am seeing that kind of 677 milliseconds. So Realme X1 Max is having really good connectivity during this time of demonstration. Now it decreased to 187. As you can see, not bad. So this is using the Jio Sim card in my location. These are the conditions between both phones, how they are handling. As you can see the ping values. So both are Jio Sim cards only. And both are connected to the same band, at same location, at same time, at same map as well. So as you can see the difference. So overall, I think the Realme X1 Max has got slightly kind of good connectivity doing this ping value comparison. You can clearly see that when you try to compare the values side by side, you can understand a little bit kind of better, I would say. Let me try to keep running, so then we will be able to see what is happening in both phones. Yep. So once we landed, after landing, I can say the Realme X1 Max has got 60 milliseconds and OnePlus Nord to 52 sometimes. So and also friends, it also depends upon the location, so don't worry about that. Even the Realme X1 Max now getting about 152 milliseconds. So it also depends upon the location as well, location and type of SIM. So you should not be worried much, but still both are kind of getting same kind of things, as you can see here. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video friends. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, bye.